Hi guys, welcome to this very interesting video, especially if you have a Wear OS watch like me and you're a fan of watch faces, different or really good watch faces, then this video is for you. And make sure that you watch till the very end of the video, because I have something for free for you which is impossible to get without watching this video. So I've been looking for a long time to find a good watch face for my watch, which is really nice and beautiful, not only black and white but has also some color, doesn't consume a lot of power, and gives me all the information which I need, especially large digits of the time and day and date, but also some extra information like battery and calories and those things, but mainly a large time and large date. And finally I have found this, and it's not only providing this in the active watch face but also in the AOD or passive watch face. That's the really nice thing here. You can see that's the active watch face. I mean, I'm not wearing it at the moment, so it's locked, but you can imagine how it is. It's pretty similar to the AOD, but it has also some extra functions here. I can show you that. By the way, I'll put down the link to this one here on the Play Store down into the description, so you can install it. Like always, we have to distinguish between the app on the smartphone and the smartwatch, and this thing here on the smartphone does actually nothing. When we install it and open it, there's just a little bit of information, and you can click here and download, and you can see you get the same thing. By the way, it's a large manufacturer here for watch faces, and they have a lot of different watch faces, really a lot, very interesting, very beautiful ones with a lot of information and so on. It's really worth to check what they have on the Play Store, but this video is only about this one, the magical LED. I'm trying to show you a little bit of more information, especially that you can see how you can set it up. Like always, we have to long press, and then we have this settings wheel here, and then we have for the background we have a lot of different colors like black and white and other things. Yeah, I have to go down, like even pinkish. It's a little bit difficult when I'm not wearing it. You can see even green and other stuff. Don't get confused when everything is black. I mean, when you have black letters and black background, you won't see anything. So just go to the next screen where you have the hands, which is interesting. You can select without hands. Then you have thick hands or you have thin hands. Then you can go to the next thing, which is the normal color. You can turn everything into orange or green or blue or yellow or whatever you want. And then the last things are the complications. Here you have two things on the top and two things on the side. So here I have the sunrise, but you can select whatever you have installed or what's available on your watch, and then press OK, and then you have it. You can see now I have it with the watch hands added. You can see I have the sunset time, I have the weather here, battery, everything really nice. If you have some troubles with some information, let's say the weather or the sunset, sunrise, those things, if you want that, then it's usually because of the settings. Then you have to go to the settings, go to connectivity and go down, and then you have to activate the use location. That's the thing here. And I've already checked regarding the battery runtime. Of course, now I've been a little bit playing around, but I've been using it now for 2 days, and I can tell you it's one of the best watch faces I've seen regarding the battery runtime. It will bring me till tomorrow at 2 o'clock from this morning, which is really long because I have activated everything, and with the AOD is of course always consuming some power, so this is quite a lot, so I can highly recommend it. And now let's get to the most important part of this video. If you're looking for the free stuff, I got 50 promo codes for this watch face, which usually is $1. I mean, all their watch faces are, I think, as far as I know, $1. It's definitely not expensive, but if you're watching this video, can grab one of the 50 promo codes and redeem redeem it in the Play Store. As far as I know, you can go to Play Store, click on your profile, then go to offers and notification, redeem promo code, and then copy paste the promo code. I think that's it as far as I know. If I'm wrong, then just correct me down in the feedback area. By the way, you can do this also on your PC, and then you should get this really nice, beautiful watch face for free. But also check out all the other watch faces from this manufacturer which are around. I think regarding the administration, it would be the easiest thing when I put down the first code down as a comment already, so the first person can pick it, use it, and then confirmed if it worked or not. And then after that I will right away post the next one, and so the next person can take it and confirm that it has been working, and I'll post the next one, and so on and so on. And by the way, they are only valid till the end of April, so hurry. Make sure that you are using it before end of April, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.